She did not want to go, but went
Anyway.
anyway. Right, anyway. Okay, so now look, here's the word, the conjunction, but. So we have to read the words after it if it's a complete sentence. Went anyway. Is that a complete sentence? No. So in this case, hey there, we don't have to use the comma. So the thing is, you don't automatically use a comma just because this word's in the sentence, okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
You have to look at the words that come after it. If the words that are after the conjunction make a complete sentence, that's when you use the comma. Because you're tying these two independent clauses together. You're putting two sentences together, and this is sort of the glue that holds the sentences together. All right? If it's not a complete sentence after it, you don't need it. All right? The same thing goes with and. Like with the word and. If there's a full sentence after and, you need the comma. The same for all of those things, okay? But and is trickier because, well, it's not tricky. Just look at the word. If it's a full sentence after the word and, that's when you need a comma. If it's not, you don't need a comma, okay? If I said, I went to the store and restaurant. And restaurant. Is that a full sentence?
No.
No comma. If I went to the store and I went to a restaurant. Now I need
What? No. Okay. Yeah. You need a comma.
Because after the word and, it became a full sentence. I went to a restaurant, okay? So that's how you know. You just look at it, find the word, go after it, all right? But the work on these, the work is really just you adding your own stuff.
Must be
you're
better
adding the words
than yesterday.
and a comma if you need it, okay? So, like, look at number 1 on page 119.
We have to
right?
live life, better our life,
On 119,
and utilize it.
there's going to be 1 to 8, but we'll talk about it first, okay? All right, so number 1 says, I didn't want to seem timid. Actually, it's not number 1, it's the example, sorry. I just saw the I thought it was 1. I didn't want to seem timid, comma. So, oh, you need a book? I'm sorry. You can stop me, don't worry. I apologize. Did you sign in?
Yes.
Okay, cool. You got signed in? Did you sign in? You good? Okay.
All
right, here you go.
Not this one. I didn't sign.
Oh, yeah, here's the sign. You betcha. All right, so look. All right, here we go. I didn't want to seem timid, comma, so I didn't tell anyone about my experience. Okay, so the conjunction they used was so. Look after the word so. I didn't want to tell anyone about my experience. That's a full sentence, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why we needed the comma there, okay? And they put the comma there. So on the problems, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I guess I thought that was I was a. Hold on, it does go to 8 in the page, okay. All right. Number 1 says, it was late. I was walking home from work. Okay? So remember what the conjunctions are. They're over here on this page. And, but, or, nor, or, so, yet. See them right there, the list? They're kind of written in italics. So those are the words we're using, okay? So which one do you think we would put there? Do we want to write these things down or just say it?
Say it.
Say it?
But yet.
Huh?
But yet.
But yet, it was late, yet I was walking home from work.
It was late. So
I was walking home from work?
No.
And I was walking home from work?
No, I was.
I guess we got
It
some
was
choices,
late.
right?
But
But
is better.
yeah, I know. That's kind of what I was thinking. It was late, but I was walking home from work like I'm walking home anyway.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. So what I'm saying is a few of those things will work, right? Yeah.
Before or after?
but do we want, it would be before, okay? Yeah, that comma will always go before, okay? The question is, do we need a comma?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is full sentences afterwards.
Yes, exactly. It's a full sentence after you put your conjunction. And I think a few will work there. I think even yet will work there. Right? That sounds real formal.
Yeah,
right?
but or yet.
Yeah.
Those are the better two.
Yeah, because it was late. Yet I was walking home from work. That sounds very English, right? Okay. All right. Number 2. My coworker Judy had offered to drive me. I have refused.
But
Yeah, that's really the only one. But I refused. But I have refused. Comma?
No.
Hold on, say it. I have refused.
Yes, that's full
Has the
sentences.
subject, I, has the verb, the had, or refused, a linking verb and refused. So that's a short little sentence, but it's, okay? All right, number 3. So we want the comma on 2. 3, it was a warm night, then I decided to get some fresh air.
so
Yeah.
so
So I decided to get some fresh air. Comma? Yeah, because look at the words. I decided to get some fresh air, full sentence, okay? Are y'all getting that, how that works?
yes.
That's really the only trick. I mean, you look at that and see, is that a full sentence after the conjunction? If it is, you need the comma. Number 4, it was really my choice. I could have taken a cab. I could have walked. Or. Yeah, or. I could have taken a cab, or I could have walked. Comma there? Yes. And 5, I heard a loud noise. I ran the last block to my house.
So
Like, I heard a loud noise, so I ran. You know? So I ran the last block. And do we want a comma there? Yes, again, a comma. So on all those, we had a comma, right?
could we put and I heard a Lord noise and I ran.
I guess you can. I mean, but if you say so I ran, that kind of is
That's
saying
better.
The reason I ran was because of the loud noise.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
I'm
Does that
the
make sense?
only black person
Okay.
here.
All right. Yes.
So they all have the comma.
On
In the
the-
beginning. In the beginning.
The comma goes in front of the conjunction? Yes, yes. Yeah, it's always goes, it's like comma, conjunction, if you need the comma. But I just want you to remember, be careful, because just because you see that word doesn't mean it needs a comma. Sometimes there's times when it doesn't. Just look behind it. If it's a full sentence, need it. Not a full sentence, don't need it. Okay? Okay, so y'all want to do this, the ones that are down below the multiple choice. How about that? 6, 7, and 8. And then we'll check them, or you can check the backs. We're going to start fractions tonight. And so there's kind of a lot. And I want to, by the end of the night, be done with adding and subtracting fractions to get underway. There is a lot of stuff. Okay, when you work out your problem, you got that
6, 7,
You see how I made
get a
the
cheap
problem?
ticket in return.
Yeah, but you have, so on these problems, you're
What it say? Now courier carries shipping documents on an international flight.
yeah, they gave you
And
this one, but they didn't tell you one of them. That's what they're doing.
it's an air courier
It's an average problem.
documents
Good on
on
it? Okay. So it's inequality.
air courier carries shipping documents on and courier carries. What?
Inequalities, and then I had a rush through it. It was like blue inequalities.
If you want to travel abroad but don't have a lot of money, want to be